Yeah, so if I were to give advice to the broader ecosystem and the folks that we work with today, it is about communicating, on one hand, communicating vision, and on the other hand, delivering real world value and utility as early and as
Yeah,
often as possible.
yeah,
On the communication front, it's about very early and then very regularly communicating with your audience, with your early participants, with prospective new participants in your ecosystem, and defining and communicating what type of value you serve for them, where you want to go with the project, what type of niche you're fulfilling in the market, and how are you doing things differently or better than alternatives that already exist. For us, as an example, we have been very clear around we are building this holistic platform for ecosystem engagement, for data intelligence, for automation, for marketing, universally speaking, for Web3 growth. And our primary purpose with that and our primary vision is to help with that onboarding process for that next billion users into the ecosystem itself. Now, from a value perspective and delivering value to teams, it's important that naturally to retain healthy communities, you need to make sure that not only are you pairing your vision and the future promise of the work that you're involved in, but you start to deliver on that value. And unfortunately, we see that a lot in the day, in the space today. We see that with whether it be the DeFi sector, gaming, some of the work that's being done in AI, that people have an opportunity to really get hands-on experience with applications, understand where they're providing value, understand how it is better than a centralized or Web2 alternative, and that's a very powerful tool to ensure that naturally people are going to be involved in your ecosystem.